Hi, this is the pick and place scene in Factory IO. I already programmed this, and although it's basic, it is not easy to solve. And what makes this more complex to solve is that I added this push button right here. This push button for the manual mode and would operate in sequence. So I will show you this on the manual mode, and I will stop the conveyor first. I mean the whole scene. I will stop this. So on my stop button, I delay the stop. I did not stop this abruptly so that all the boxes here will be delivered on their destination. So I put this on the timer. So it is stopped already. Alright, we're going to the manual mode. So manual. So in my logic, I utilize the comparator for the manual mode, although some would do that on one shot push button, but mine will be the comparator. So I have 5 steps on my comparator, so this is my logic here. So these are my output. I put it on one network, all my outputs. So this is for the manual, and this above here is for the automatic. So same it here for the exit conveyor, the automatic, and this is for the manual. This is the move Z on the arm. This is the automatic right here, and this is for the manual. So then grab and move X with the arm. So here in my manual, I will utilize the comparator and the push button. So this is my first step. My first step is to start the conveyor, the entry conveyor and the exit conveyor. So this is the first step. And my second step is to move the arm. So the arm would go down to the box. So the arm, the grab operates the same. So when the arm goes down, the grab also will activate. So my third is the move X. The arm will go through the exit conveyor, so it will extend over here to the exit. And then my fourth command is to release the box. So when the box is already down here, the arm will shut off, because I put this sensor right here to shut off the arm and the move X and move Z, so it will return to its default position. So here, this will shut off, grab will shut off, and move X will shut off too. So in the fifth press of this button, it will reset the counter, so it will return to 0. So I'll show you now. Oh, here's the counter here. So when I press reset, I know this is the counter of the box. So if I press stop, it will reset, and then it will, if I press my start, and will go go into 5. If it's equals to 5, it will reset, so it will return to 0. So this is the sequence now. First, the conveyor will on, and this will stop because of the sensor. So now I'm going to extend this arm. So this is the second operation. Then the third, this arm will extend to the exit conveyor, and this will going up, the box will go up. That's it. So in my fourth operation, this will put down here, and it will sense the sensor, and then this arm will go back to its default position. So I press it. So that's it. So when I press it again, it will reset my sequence. So it will go back to 0 and then 1. So this is the command 1. So the conveyor is already started. So it will just display 1 because it is operate already. So second, the nozzle will go down, then third, extend, and then fourth, it will put to the exit conveyor. Then it will return to the sequence again. So first, second, third, fourth, reset, then first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So if you want to stop this manual sequence now you have to do is to push the same stop button here. So it's stop. Now we can go to the auto mode. Now it's automatic. I did not put the manual start button to this one because I don't want to incorporate this, because I want my start button will not activate immediately during startup. I don't want this on a accidental press of the start button. Sometimes the operator is not mindful if it's manual or auto, just start, and I don't want to be accidentally start the start button. So I separated this for the manual, but my stop is just the same. And by the way, this reset button here, it will not reset unless this machine is in the stop mode. So that's my reset button. And if I stop this, it will continue until all the boxes are delivered. And here's the reason why I don't want this to be incorporated with the manual, because if I press start here, it will not restart immediately. So I need to put this to manual mode in auto, so I can restart now. Now I'm going to show you my emergency stop. So my emergency stop will operate if my emergency stop is push. All the moving parts will stop. It will shut off all of them. So I'm going to press it now. So the conveyor is shut off and the arm is shut off too. I'm going to show you my logic. So here my outputs shut off except for the stoplight. So this emitter here is the box only, doesn't matter. So now I'm going to restart. I will release the emergency stop. So this is not going to start right away. So I need to manual, then auto, then restart. So now I'm going to stop this. So now I can reset this counter right here. So that's it. So this is it. My outputs are all stopped, and this is my counter on the manual. So every time it restart, it will reset to 0. And my counter right here, this counter, I did not put that to 0. I do not want this to reset in the startup, because I want this to remain, the inventory will remain, so that in case of power interruption, this will not reset to 0, so that the inventory will be accurately counted. So that's why I did not put that to reset in every startup. So that's it. Thank you.